Hello Internet Explorers! In our ongoing quest to explore traffic and safety that shape our urban landscapes, today we're zooming in on Vienna and the bustling traffic scene that affects us all. As cities like Vienna continue to expand and attract more residents, car ownership follows suit. But with the increase comes a cascade of consequences. More cars means more congestion, more noise and more pollutants polluting our air. The real victims of this influx of cars? Pedestrians and cyclists forced to navigate a maze of metal and exhaust. But let's face it, our local politics could do with a tune-up. It often feels like our politicians aren't really focused on the solutions that will really benefit our community. In Vienna, concrete projects seem to be the VIP guest, displacing parks and valuable living space with alarming frequency. Why all the concrete? Well, there's a flood of projects that relentlessly push for more buildings, more infrastructure, while leaving green spaces and cycle paths in the dust. And let's talk about the need for speed, or rather the lack of it. Why should children need a police presence just to get to school safely? Why the need for pedestrian wardens? And why, oh why, do we see so many unfortunate accidents involving our youngest and most vulnerable road users? Perhaps it's time to reassess the need for 4-lane motorways in spaces that can barely accommodate pedestrians and cyclists. Vienna stands at a crossroads where decisions made today will affect generations to come. As we navigate the traffic jams and bureaucratic roadblocks, let's find solutions that prioritize the well-being of all residents, from the smallest school child to the most experienced cyclist. There are so many roads without even pedestrian crossings or traffic lights. Why does the local government put so much emphasis on roads and specific projects? Don't forget to contact local offices for information and suggestions. Every district has offices. Your Vienna cycling team. Cycling in Vienna at gmail.com